All right, my son wanted this for Christmas. This was like his main gift that he was asking for, and he is obsessed with it. I want to show you how cool it looks up close with the tail, and you've got your remote control. You've got a way to charge it right there on the stomach that you can see right there, and you turn it, it's off right now. I'm gonna turn it on and let you see how it works. It's really fun and has a lot of really cool features. There's a light in its mouth right there. You gotta take your remote control and you can push all the different buttons. Look at that guy. He loves it. You can see why.